For the European Union Energy, um, I want to make my vision for the new developed concept is the new central for the whole energy. This new central energy is basic structure and how this structure making the energy. The hot temperature making with thermic uh, electricity, and the electricity can making the hot temperature. But in alchemy, the fire on the when you burn two material, you create the new material, and this new central energy is for energy and create the new material. Uh, the same foundry or another. This system is very system close because the whole energy will be can use for another application. This structure not need external power, and the whole power is just different power for different structure physics and power physics or physical power. With this new central, uh, maybe alchemic central energy, you can have the new material, create the new new job with can create the new material with the fusion or the burn. You create the gas, different gas for different material. These gas have the new property, and you can use these different gas for the old city, and the new material create the new application. With the hot temperature and the hot electricity making grow, you can alimented the whole infrastructure for electricity, for gas, and new material. Is very package for the full application for the new world, beginning in Europe and America, and is just for new step for COP21 and infinity energy clean for the nature. Is very best time for joint the all partner in the world for transform the last nuclear power energy for new step create the new energy clean for the world. The capacity for the future time and begin now is very more interesting, and I'm very happy for say what um, this structure, the package structure, can making the piece. Because when you study why the war uh, create with different country or government or continent, you can see different country use the war for grow the country, and for making a prosperity for the country or the continent. But if the country and the continent can making the prosperity for the whole market and all prosperity uh, between create the war, and the war must can don't exist because you have the result of war than before the war. And this new step can making the peace on the world because the prosperity for the whole country and the whole continent can create grace on the this package and with energy.